What's up, guys? My name is Edicus, and today I'm just gonna show you something. Let's turn on the light. That's my new cat. He's on top of my wardrobe. He's pretty cool. Looking at me. Yeah. Looking at me. Looking at me. Yeah. So, anyways, just a little short video, but hope you enjoyed. So, see you later. Goodbye, cat. See you in the next video.